Hi guys, it's 4:30 AM and we're about to go to Masada, climb up Masada for chakra techniques. It's very early, everyone is smashed, so I'm sure we'll do it. We'll see you soon, probably at the bottom, getting ready for the hike or on the bus. The bottom of Masada.
Okay, you talk, right?
Oh yeah, I will.
Yeah.
At the bottom of Masada is about 5:15. A bit later. Let's check the time. Oh wow, it's 5:25.
It's 5:30.
Yeah, we're meant to be going to the top of Nate. I don't think anyone's going to make it. But that's beautiful.
Do you want me to help? That's fine.
That's fine.
I'm just doing.
Stop vlogging otherwise.
Right, a solo breakaway. Alright, made it to the top. Right there. Lovely. I knew. Are there any excuses? Are there any excuses?
I'm actually the first person.
Okay. I think so, but I'm zooming in on people and seeing. Yitzi! Yitzi and Menahem! Video. I'm going to share my rice!
A few moments later.
Roy! Shmula Belson, Ozzy Gletzer, and someone else.
1 eternity later.
Let me see, you want me good? Contemplating his life decisions. Will he do it? Will he do it? Will he not? Can he do it? Come on, Nonny. Come on, Nonny, do one more push. Hello.
I'm just eating on it, 1 second.
We just finished davening at Masada. The hike up was maybe you not. It was an experience, one of which I will never do again because I will happily pay the fee for the cable car.
30 shek?
Is that it?
I think so. On the way down, the shark quality check. I don't know about the way up.
Okay, well, I'll pay for you to come down with me.
No, of course not. We walk.
No.
Johnny, you're going to walk with me.
Here we are, we're going back down Masada.
Yes, boys.
Yes, boys. There's a lot of steps. With me is the one and only Three Cats and the one and only Rafi Levy.
Yeah.
I love how I paused, like I almost forgot your name, which I did.
Yeah, Chaim. Other way. The Nochosh Trail. Yeah, Snake Pass, there we are. Down. Well done, Chaim. I might squish ahead if you don't mind. Yeah?
You can go.
Okay. I want to run food, okay? I want to run. I need to go food, quick!
Our forefathers that were in the camp, starving to death. I'm going to show my don't tell.
Going down Masada. It's getting quite hot.
Hello.
Lovely view. Yes, climb you on it, don't worry. Oh! Catch up later, I'll catch up. Hello, Ollie! See you on. Here we are, the first time on Masada, making history, Yon Yon.
First and last time.
First and last, apparently. Fair enough, but
Just come back to bed.
come back to bed. Yon's not happy. I'm happy. Let's keep. Right.
Okay, stand here. Take your stop on me. There. Okay, stand still.
That's not YouTube, what is? YouTube.
Right, heart rate 140. Distance 0.94. 18 minutes.
18 minutes it's taken us. Took me just over that to get up.
And we are on 1,000.
Alles gibt's, alles gibt's. A bisschen mit Duchen kann man sich wählen. Alles gibt's, alles gibt's. A bisschen mit Duchen kann man sich alles gibt's, alles gibt's. Hey, alles gibt's. A viele Größe ist es.
Ruben, don't wipe your head. Ruben! Your head is touching the thing. That's your head again.
Yeah, it was great. It was great. Banging.
With a little bit of faith, we'll all be safe just like we should. With a little bit of faith, we'll all be safe if you believe. Yes, I believe that we'll see grace in this.
Lovely, we've arrived at the place. Everyone's falling asleep here. 20 minutes, then we're back on to Engedi.
I'm on the coach now with Mo Solomon.
Amazing
Ate
hike.
breakfast.
Amazing breakfast.
Another hike.
Walk.
Yeah, it's a stroll. It's a lot. It's a lollop. It's a lollop.
It's a stroll.
Stroll. It's a lollop.
Splash.
We're having a little splash rather in the middle.
Can I say something for you, Yon Yon?
We walk 15 minutes. Splash. Walk.
Can I say something for you, Yon Yon?
Yeah.
So we just finished a smart hike. without you.
Not geschmack.
And I had the honour to talk with Yon. I don't know which Yon it is, that's two, yeah? I had the honour to talk with Yon.
Yeah, we look very different. We look very similar, right?
Yeah, so we both did it at the same time. It's quite surprising for me. I didn't know I could keep up with them. Anyways, we're now going to the lake. And yeah, we'll see if we'll catch you guys later.
One of the Yons finished first, one finished last.
That's us.
Yon.
That's us. We were both extremes. It's okay.
Yon.
Will I be
It was a very nice change this morning when I did go over. Oh, this is Yon.
Yeah, that's what I usually do.
Yeah.
Hi, Yon
Yon, Yon and Yon. Morning, other Yon from Yon and Yon. They're on the jump now. They're on the jump.
Sponsoring. Part of it. Yeah. Waste of money, I'll be honest. Maybe like no money for it, but it's funny.
Waste of money. Wow.
Bye. See you soon.
You know.
How do you end up on the floor? Blinded by the cloud coat.
Jump here, who's jumping there again? Oh, it's probably 8 minutes.
We're now on a wonderful hike to Engedi. Trying to find some water.
For some reason we're going on another hike.
Another hike.
We're going on an absolutely massive one.
Massive one. A good 45 minutes of hiking this morning.
Not even that, it was like so steep.
Ginormous. Okay, so
We literally climbed
go.
like that.
see you on the other side in the water. Miss Hashem, Be'ezras Hashem, B'chastei Hashem Yisborach. We've only gone.
Minutes, if not an hour.
We found the water. Unbelievable. We found the water. Wow. We're going on the water hike, we're carrying on. Yossi will take it for us.
Big off track.
I don't think you can hear me, but I'm about to go on the waterfall. Whoa! Here we go. Let's go. Everyone line up.
Whoa, that's so cute.
Yala. Natty didn't pretend that wasn't on purpose, Natty.
So cute.
What are you doing? Natty, smile. Smile on the camera.
That's actually so cute. Very nice.
It's a bit strange. Disturbing face. You must be having a very bad dream.
Alles geht. Aber soll mit uns Hände sich heulen, alles geht. Wie alles geht, auf viele Kreuze wissen. Wie alles geht, auf viele Kreuze wissen. Wie alles geht, auf viele
You heard of Graham, please sit down. Boys, sit. Reza, get. Year 10 PE, right? Year 10 PE. Little Dave Armour. At this point, I was still called Lil Dave, right? Lil Dave. It's not that funny. I'm just telling you a small snippet of my life. Right. So it comes PE. I think it was third period. Post. What would have been post base, right? So I get to PE, I take out my clothes, I realise no shoes. Right, so what am I going to do? So I get changed, hoping Tati won't realise. Right, and here I am, 15 years old, presenting myself to Miss Tati.
You have to do it quickly.
Hello sir, what's going on? He goes, oh more? You haven't got your PE shoes. Go get changed. So little me starts whimpering, and he then follows it up with the words, actually mate, I'll see you at 4:05. And then again, he follows it up with, better still, what's your mum's number? Right? Tati wants my mum's number.
All you on Shabbos.
Right? So, the mascot of the story was, I sat there at 4:05, me, my mother, and Tati, my mum on the phone, Tati next to me, my mum was on loudspeaker, my mum wanted to give me a stern word, forgetting my shoes, but that was the birth of the famous line, better still, what's your man's number? Woo! Up to the walls of Jericho, he marched with spear in hand. Go Sam, those ram horns, Joshua cried, cause the battle is in my hand. Joshua fought the battle of Jericho, Jericho, Jericho. Joshua fought the battle of Jericho, and this is how it goes. Right.
We're now going to say goodbye to Yon. Look, 4 Shabbos.
Yon is coming here. Yon will meet in about 3 seconds.
Say goodbye.
Bye bye. Have a good Shabbos, everyone. This was day 8,
Have you not showered?
16, 17. And
None of them I'd recommend.
Up to the walls of Jericho, he marched with spear in hand. Go Sam, those ram horns, Joshua cried, cause the battle is in my hand.